This is crazy. I wish we can go outside and listen.
You feel it vibrating against the window.
Exactly.
Oh my god.
Did you
Holy jeez.
It's banging!
Oh jeez. It's just like inside it. It's like boom, boom, boom.
It's been 3 minutes.
More than that.
No, for me. Oh my god. It's either that they just opened or there's a special holiday in Quebec that we don't know about. This is the most beautifulest show I've ever seen.
Mm-hmm.
It's better than Canada Day.
This is nothing. This is like...
Nothing compared to Canada Day in Toronto. Toronto is just so lame. Like, no offense. Wait, I think this is their Canada Day.
No, it's not.
I know they're late, but... $18. What the?
Still going.
No way.
Man, the colors are just crazy.
No. I ended it because my phone needs to charge. I'm just gonna watch with my bare eyes. Whoa. Hey, let me go behind. Oh, it's just crazy, dude. Okay, please. I want to ask Google or something. Can I ask Google or something what's happening?
You can Google whatever Google you want. Oh, what? Jeez.
Fuck.
Watch this one. It's going to come up. Watch this one.
Shit, I gotta film.
It's going to be a big one right there. It's neat. Holy moly. Oh. 100.
What do you mean?
There's the number 100 just lit up.
Oh, they're trying to make 100? Wait, it's like 1,000 something. It's 100 what? 100?
No, I saw the number 100. I don't know what that meant, but it just keeps going and going.
This is annoying, but also pretty cool.
turn that lamp light off. Oh, there's another 100.
Is it just me or I keep missing the 100? Hold my phone back. Tell me if I missed the number 100. Tell me go when number 100's there. Oh, look, there's little stars. Tell me when to look for number 100.
Oh, wow.
Look at that one building. See it? It's lighting up from the reflection of
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one. Oh, look at that. What?
That is amazing. Whoa, what's happening?
Oh, look at that. Oh, whoa. 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 Oh, my God.
Oh, jeez. How much money
Jeez.
how much money does Quebec have to do this?
I don't know, but that's amazing.
That's crazy. I hope my phone catches all of that.
Whoa, look at all that.
Oh, wow.
Oh, jeez. That's a lot of money in fireworks. Oh, whoa.
Whoa.
Jeez.
Jeez
Oh,
Louise.
man, the window's going to break.
It's gonna
Jeez.
shatter. I'm serious.
Jeez.
It's gonna shatter. All these
Oh.
windows are gonna break.
Jeez.
Exactly.
Oh.
Jeez. The windows are gonna break
My
down.
gosh.
The dad are gonna fall out.
No, it's not that. My arms are going to fall off by just holding this phone. Oh, man, look at those ones. Donuts.
No way.
Yeah, see, look. Oh,
Homer
jeez.
drops his donut. Homer. I'm serious. All these people's windows are gonna break.
The colors are just amazing. That's literally every color. Oh, here comes some big ones.
Oh,
Watch.
I'm
You'll see
scared.
it. Oh.
Whoa!
Whoa.
That's really cool.
Oh.
Oh,
Oh.
the Big Bang! The Big Bang again!
Here goes another one.
How much money does Quebec have?
I don't know. But they sure know
How
to
much
put
money do you
fireworks on.
think this cost already? Like over 2,000 grand. This is over $2,000.
Whoa. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Sheesh. Tell me when number 100 pops up, okay? Boom. Boom. It's lit. Oh my God.
Oh. Whoa. 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 Look at those colors.
Look at that.
Holy moly, they're gonna go all. Oh, jeez.
Oh, geez, our window's gonna break.
Yikes.
Our window's gonna break.
Oh. Oh my God.
How much money does Quebec have?
Jeez. Oh. Wow.
Boo-ba-ya! I think that's all. I hope that's
Oh
all.
my God, you could feel the
I
vibrations.
know. I hope that's all.